What's up everybody, Caleb here with Amazing Works Photography. I just wanted to come to you and wish you a happy new year. It's finally 2022. I know 2021 was definitely long and challenging. I'm grateful to be here today. I'm grateful for you being able to watch this video right now. I want to give a special shout out to those of you who booked with Amazing Works Photography in 2021. Those of you who sponsored us, donated, I'm just thankful. You invested in us to deliver you great quality photos, and I hope that this new year, 2022, will bring you much love, peace, happiness, and success in whatever you do. Again, Happy New Year.